viewers, you're watching us on ERi-TV. Welcome to English News Broadcast for this hour. Coming up are the major headlines for today. Messages of congratulations. Training on global monitoring and environmental security. US began pulling its military equipment from Niger. And Russian and Chinese foreign ministers meet on the sidelines of BRICS. On your domestic reports, President Isaias Afwerki sent a message of congratulations on behalf of the people and government of Eritrea and on his own behalf to Prime Minister Narendra Modi of the Republic of India for his re-election for a third assumption of office as Prime Minister. In his letter, President Isaias stated that the auspicious event will advance rapid economic progress in India and will provide impetus for stronger bilateral ties between Eritrea and India. Similarly, President Isaias Afwerki, on behalf of the government and people of Eritrea, sent his warmest congratulations to President Vladimir Putin and the people of the Russian Federation in connection with Russia Day. In his letter, President Isaias expressed his confidence that the profoundly close and friendly ties between the two countries, anchored on shared and similar political perspectives on global realities and trends, will continue to grow and strengthen in the period ahead. President Isaias also wished good health to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Vladimir Putin, as well as peace and prosperity to the Indian and Russian peoples. The Ministry of Land, Water and Environment, in collaboration with Global Monitoring and Environmental Security in Africa, provided training on the role of technology and cartographic information system for sustainable preservation and environmental security. The training that will be conducted until 15 June is being attended by 35 professionals from the Ministries of Land, Water and Environment, Agriculture, Marine Resources, Transportation, Local Government, as well as Forestry and Wildlife Authority and Hamalmala College of Agriculture. Ms. Aster Redezgi, the head of Environmental Management and Control at the Ministry, highlighted the training's goals: to enhance the use and sharing of environmental information, promote sustainable development of human resources, and improve decision-making and environmental management through evidence-based information. Dr. Daniel Waiswa from Makerere University, Uganda, noted that the theoretical and practical training sessions is pivotal for enhancing the participants' skills in analyzing cartographic data and predicting environmental changes. The trainees emphasized the importance of the training for their professional activities and advocated for its ongoing availability. Document from the ministry underscores Eritrea's commitment to the EDAD Global Monitoring and Environmental Security Center, reinforcing the nation's active engagement in global environmental initiatives. On your last local report, Ms. Asmeret Abraha, governor of the Northern Red Sea region, conducted a meeting with employees of government institutions in Nafa subzone on June 8, focusing on the progress of development initiatives in general and that of water and soil conservation activities. At the meeting, Ms. Asmeret indicated that the water reservoir already put in place is improving the lives of the residents and called for reinforced effort for more outcome. Mr. Huru Yohannes, head of Agriculture and Land, said that in 2024 and 2025, there is planned to construct 8 microdams in the 6 administrative areas, construction of 261 hectares of water diversion schemes, construction of water catchment schemes covering 515 hectares of land, planting of 626,000 indigenous trees in 7 administrative areas, as well as conducting preliminary study on water sources in Hedai, Ilat Alim and Tirse. Ms. Asmeret visited the water and soil conservation activities that are being conducted in cooperation with the public and members of the defense forces in Nafa and Af'ab subzones and was provided briefings by the coordinators of the programs. She also visited the progress of the micro dam that is under construction in Mahabar Ginda subzone. Dear viewers, please stay tuned for your international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. The U.S. began pulling military equipment and additional personnel out of Niger on Friday after waiting months for the ruling military junta to approve U.S. military flights into the country. The U.S. Department of Defense and the Department of National Defense of the Republic of Niger announced this on Saturday. The news comes ahead of a September 15 withdrawal deadline agreed by the two countries. Flight tracking websites showed U.S. C-17 cargo aircraft en route to the Nigerian capital of Niamey on Friday. Much of the U.S. military and equipment has been in Niamey, at what's known as Base 101. Niger had been a central hub from which the U.S. carried out surveillance of violent extremist groups in the region, including the use of MQ-9 Reaper drones. The U.S. also trained Nigerian troops. On today's final report, Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov hosted Chinese counterpart Wang Yi for talks yesterday on the sidelines of BRICS Foreign Ministers meeting hosted by Russia in the city of Nizhny Novgorod. According to reports, Lavrov and Wang discussed issues related to further development of BRICS, including the idea to allow for accession of new countries to the group. President Vladimir Putin, speaking last Friday at Russia's biggest annual economic forum in St. Petersburg, said that Moscow would work with foreign partners within the framework of BRICS to increase the use of national currencies and foreign trade settlements. Russia is due to host a summit of the leaders of the countries of the BRICS group in the autumn. That was all with your domestic and international reports, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Messages of congratulations. Training on global monitoring and environmental security. U.S. began pulling its military equipment from Niger. And Russian and Chinese foreign ministers meet on the sidelines of BRICS. That was it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching and have a good one.